every era, there are those who dare to rise, those who see beyond limits, who leads with vision, courage, and purpose. They are the spark that ignites transformation, the light that guides the next generations. Embracing the timeless wisdom, recognizing that true leadership values that could endure through generations, values that continue to guide today's rising leaders. Gano Excel, harnessing the power of leadership, igniting the potential in top-notch leaders, inspiring positive changes, fostering innovation, continuous improvement, embracing 3 E's of leadership success: empower, elevate, excel. The path to leadership excellence. Recognizing and celebrating the efforts and achievements of true leaders.
Our dream, bring health and wealth to every family. Now it's not my mission anymore. It's our mission. Do you agree?
One decision, one step, one moment. Our second Global Leadership Summit. Be part of this unforgettable moments at the end of 2026 in Hainan, China. Gano Excel, empowering leaders who shape the future.